Good afternoon, guys. So we're going to go ahead and continue where I left off. So today we're going to be working on saving with Json. So I already have this required. We can go ahead and make our commands. So 6th, payday, and 7th, bow. Now let's go ahead and get started with our first echo. If content lower sub 1 hashtag payday equals payday, then now what I personally like to do is I like to put all of the main handling in a separate function, but for now I'm just gonna have it handled inside the if statement. So we're gonna have a echo.json parse equals open JSON not parse IO not open echo open echo.json r open close. So now we got the parsed JSON, meaning it's converted into a table. So we can do this: if parse member ID parse member ID parse member ID plus map.random. We're gonna do 5 through 10. If they're not there, then we're gonna add an else statement, parse member ID equals map.random 5 through 10, and then we're gonna have it saved. So we're gonna go ahead and do IO. So we're gonna open it again. Open to. I'm just gonna redo that. Now dot open echo JSON W. Open right JSON.stringify parse and open close. Alright, let's give this a test run. So let's go ahead and do that. So it should. Boom. Now we're just gonna make it so it reads out how much you got. So we're gonna do this. Core equals math.random 5 through 10. There. Now we can make it say how much. Message reply has earned alright, we got that done. Now we're gonna have the bow command. Content lower sub hashtag bow equals bow. Oh, alright. So now we're going to repeat the same steps as before. We're just gonna have it set to R for reading. I'm gonna have parse equals JSON.parse open read. And we're gonna go and close it. Message reply member ID has. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little sneaky thing right here because I don't want to add an extra if statement. So I'm gonna do parse member ID or 0. So that's saying if it's nil, then switch over to 0. So now we're going to handle that. Actually, no, that won't be necessary. So we're going to do love it bot payday. Now let's see what happens when we remove the eco. Yep, works fine. We're gonna go ahead and add a timer. Payday. First, local wait equals that. Our setup is going to be member ID equals table. It's a command, so it'll be payday. And how much time? So we're going to make it a command. Is cooldown member ID. Well, we'll do ID. For IVM pairs, wait do. If type v equals table, if actually if wait ID, then if wait ID dot time 0, return false, return true. That makes life so much easier. And wait ID dot command equals submit. We'll just let it set to C. So if we do this and not is cooldown member ID payday. We're gonna do this. If actually no, we don't want to do that. I just realized my mistake. We want to do ID equals member ID because it'll replace everything. So we're gonna do this. IV in pairs wait do. And if type v equals table, I like to have an extra if statement. If v dot, what am I gonna have it set at? ID equals ID. If v dot cmd equals c, then if v dot time less than or equal to 0, return false. And we'll have it return false. Now we're going to have table.insert point member ID equals member.id because I don't want to screw it up a bit. Payday, and then time equals 60 seconds. Let's make it 30. And now we're going to use timer. timer dot set interval function. Did I have that? Timer equals require timer. Boom. Now we're gonna have it set to 1000 because it uses milliseconds for IV in pairs. Wait, do if type v equals if type v equals table, then if v dot time less than or equal to 0, then is greater than 0, then wait I dot time equals wait I dot time minus 1, else wait I equals nil. That should do. Now we're gonna make it tell you, you gotta wait. So what we're gonna do here, if we're gonna have a separate if statement so you can have that else. Well, we'll make it do else. Message reply member ID. Sorry, but you still have to wait. Wait. Alright, so we'll do that. We still have to wait. Table.time. Seconds left. So let's go ahead and give it a test run. Alright. Payday should work just fine. Payday. That's not what I wanted. Okay. What's wrong here? Table insert wait member ID. Oh. Wait. Let's try again. Oh, and the bot broke. Attempt index table and no value. Else if cool doesn't equal and table doesn't equal no. Alright. So return false or return true. Actually, we're gonna move this. Yes, love it, but I'm gonna take you everywhere where I go. Something's not right. Something's not very right at all. Okay. Member ID, payday. Return false. Okay. Okay, let's take it a step back here. P is cool in table. Okay. Should work. This should work just fine. Oh! I'm an idiot. I'm so sorry. P is cool table. We're gonna have this P subtracting. Oh, right. No. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look-see-poo. Okay, 159. Okay, that's the issue. Actually, let me see what it prints again. Okay, so I see the issue. It's in the function itself. So if that and v.cmc, actually didn't need the time. My bad. There we go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll definitely need suggestions next time of what I'm going to be doing. So if there's anything else you want me to do or go over because you're confused, just let me know and I'll get to it soon. See you later, guys.